Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about variables in Python, and I'll be using Jupyter Notebook to do this tutorial. You can get access to Jupyter Notebook through Google Drive, and it's completely free and it's really handy. And uh, so let's get into the tutorial. So today we'll be learning about variables in Python. So to declare a variable in Python, it's pretty simple. It's as well clean. In C++ or Java, we usually declare the type. We let the compiler know the type of the variable we want and the name of the variable, for example, account value, and then we initialize the amount, which is around 500, and end the line of the code. But in Python, we don't have to initialize anything, like what kind of data type do we want. So Python is smart enough to actually understand what do we want out here. So account value. So let's give it a try and print it out. So you can see that the answer is actually 500, and we are able to print it out on the compiler. So how do we declare a string, like a variable which is a string? So let's say something here, and we can write I love Python, and let's print out something here. So you can see that it's pretty simple to declare a string as well as a variable in Python. But let's see how we can redeclare a declared object. For example, it's already there in the memory that we have declared account value as an integer. Can we actually change the type of account value variable to a string? So let's give it a try. Account value is equal to I am a string. And let's see if we can print it out. Wow. So we actually changed the value of account value, like this variable, from integer to a string with few lines of code. And if you were to do this thing in C++, there would be lots of other ways you have to follow, and there would not be, I think, a clean way. I've done C++ around quite amount of years ago, so still, as far as I can remember, it would be a very hard thing to do. But let's see some restrictions in Python. Uh, so is it possible that we can concatenate a variable which is a string with a variable which is, for example, uh, like an integer? So let's declare in an integer at first. So uh, integer value is equal to, let's say 700, and then I have like with this integer value. It should say that I have 700, right? But it does not do that, and it throws an error, which is can only concatenate string to a string. And up here we are passing a value which is an integer. So why don't we find a solution to this problem? Can we solve it? If this is your first course or first tutorial, then I know it's going to be hard. But if you are from, if you have done some code in C++ or Java, then you know about casting. So we can do is we can actually cast it. It's not actually casting. It's a different terms. I'm not sure about the formal term, but I hope. But what I'm trying to mean is right now we are actually treating whenever Python is going to go through these lines of code, Python is going to see that, okay, I have, which is a string, plus concatenate with a string. Like this function is actually changing the integer value into a string. So if you were to actually see what is this 700, it's actually a string which is being treated by Python. That's all for today. In the next lesson, we'll learn about different things of Python. Take care.